Hello beautiful people, welcome to kawsar.pixart YouTube channel where imagination comes to life and pixels tell story. Today I will show you the logo design process of elephant room. I've got this project from my Instagram. This client knocked me for a short meeting before hand over the project. We have discussed the design process and share our ideas to each other. This process helped me to get the perfect logo for his company. So let's dive into the world of creativity. I have roughly sketched the elephant icon and now I will make a minimal logo for elephant room. I will use golden ratio for this process to complete this logo. Watch the full design process and enjoy.